well, and if all goes well, you should have something like this. So that's styrofoam. You see, two plates together. I used screws here and there. It's enough. So inside, as I told, you use silicone. They are used, and at the bottom, of course. So you have like a fishing bowl, but without the fishes. Then you cover, you put your heating mats at the bottom, beneath those plants. Then I cover it all with vermiculite, and I make it very wet, especially if you want to germinate bananas, musa seeds, etc. So if you have done that, you can start. You can look at my videos about germinating musa. So I put my thermostat here, and for musa I use, let me think, 16 hours on 33 degrees Celsius, and then I let it cool down to 20 degrees. So after that, what you also can do, look what I did, I made small opening to put my cables through. Why did I do that? Well, I can also, or you can also put a sheet over your box, because otherwise you will never get 33 degrees inside. So I put it over my box, and then all starts like it should be. By the way, this is my Maniot Grahami, also germinated in this cool box. Also, don't forget to put some lights above your box, otherwise you have a big problems, I think. I hope you understand how I build it. I couldn't find an app to make it animated more than this, so if you have questions, just ask in the comments. And good luck sowing seeds.